Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about pH scales. Here, this is an interesting one about the pH scale. pH scale is a scale that measures whether it is an acidic or basic. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. In the middle, an average between two numbers is 7. We call neutral that the value is calibrated. On the either side may contain acidic or H-positive ion if value is less than 7, and basic or OH-negative ion if value is more than 7. pH scale is in the formation of rainbow, from red to violet. Green lies in the middle must be indicated. We say H2O with equivalent positive and negative ions. Let's give you some examples. Suppose water, it has a pH of 7, which is neutral. Next, for more examples about acidic solutions. Least acidic, such as milk, has a pH of 6. Next, a little more acidic orange juice, which has a pH of 2.7. Next, which is highly acidic, battery acid, which has a pH of 0. Battery acid can be very corrosive and dangerous. You should keep your bare hands away. On the other hand, for more examples about basic, least basic, such as eggs and baking soda, has a pH of 8. Next, a little more basic liquid detergent, which has a pH of 10. And finally, which is more basic, drain cleaner, that has a pH of 14. The extreme levels of pH scales you reach, you are likely to having a health risk, such as acid reflux, respiratory acidosis and alkalosis, gastrointestinal issues, and many more diseases. In the next part, we'll tell you about the litmus paper test. Like, comment, and subscribe now.